Welcome to Technify. Today we're taking a closer look at something compact, yet incredibly exciting, the all-new DJI Flip 2 drone. Built for anyone who values both power and portability, this sleek flyer might just be the perfect blend of convenience and capability. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast or someone who simply loves the thrill of flying, the Flip 2 promises to deliver an impressive experience. It's designed to be better than its predecessor in every way. Smaller, smarter, and more rugged. With upgraded handling, smarter flight features, and a vastly improved camera system, this drone is ready for both casual users and creative professionals. So, if you're hunting for a drone that flies just as well indoors as it does outdoors, and fits easily into your bag or even your pocket, stick around. Today on Technify, we're breaking down why the DJI Flip 2 could be one of the best compact drones released so far. Let's begin with the design. One of the standout elements of the Flip 2. Like the original, it sports a foldable body, but now it's even more compact and built to withstand more bumps and scrapes. When unfolded, it measures roughly 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters, and it weighs under 250 grams. That makes it incredibly lightweight and travel-friendly, perfect for users in regions where registration laws are stricter for heavier drones. Safety is also a big focus. The propellers are fully enclosed in protective guards, which not only shields the drone but also helps protect people and objects around it. Great for indoor flights. Its aerodynamic design reduces air resistance, making each flight more stable and smoother, even in mild winds. Under the hood, the Flip 2 comes with a powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor capable of capturing sharp 4K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second. Whether you're filming during the day or in challenging lighting, the footage remains crisp and vivid. It also supports raw image capture, offering greater flexibility in post-production editing. With an 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom, you can go from capturing wide landscapes to detailed close-ups seamlessly. The drone is powered by a 3,110 mAh battery, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a full charge. And with the newly introduced charging hub, you can recharge multiple batteries together, which means more flight time and less downtime. But what truly sets the Flip 2 apart is its smart AI integration. Features like Active Track make it easy to keep a subject perfectly framed without manual input. It's ideal for capturing dynamic scenes or even filming yourself on the move. There's also a suite of one-tap cinematic modes including Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight. These pre-programmed flight paths help you shoot professional-looking videos with minimal effort. Newly added LED lights improve visibility during night flights or in dim environments, enhancing both safety and orientation. The connectivity has also received a boost. Video transmission remains clear and uninterrupted, even when the drone is flying at a distance. That's essential for real-time shooting and maintaining control during long flights. The controller itself has been redesigned with ergonomics in mind. It's more comfortable to hold, which is a relief for longer sessions. Whether you're flying over a wide field or in a small backyard, the Flip 2 adapts quickly to changing conditions like shifting wind or fading light. DJI is expected to offer the Flip 2 in multiple bundle options. You can go with the standard package or opt for a more complete kit that includes accessories like a controller, extra batteries, charging dock, filters, and a carrying case. But beyond all the features, what makes the Flip 2 truly shine is how intuitive it feels. You don't need to be a drone expert to get great results. The intelligent systems assist with both flying and filming, letting you focus more on creativity and less on controls. So there you have it, the DJI Flip 2. A drone that delivers smart features, stunning video quality, and an ultra-portable design all rolled into one. Whether you're a beginner just getting into drones or a seasoned pilot looking for a compact companion, the Flip 2 seems ready to meet the challenge. Its smart AI features, lightweight build, and improved safety design make it a great choice for flying just about anywhere, from cityscapes to nature trails, or even right in your backyard. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment telling us your thoughts about the Flip 2. Would you pick one up? Where would you fly it first? And don't forget to subscribe to Technify so you never miss our next tech deep dive. See you in the next video.